MailerLite is great for email marketing, but it's more than just that. When you pair it with Zapier's automation workflow platforms through integrations, it becomes an email powerhouse. Zapier lets you connect MailerLite with thousands of other apps, like Google Forms, Typeform, or Stripe, so your emails, leads, and automations all work together seamlessly. You can automatically add new subscribers, tag them based on what they buy, or even send follow-up emails the second someone fills out a form. With Zapier, there's thousands of combinations that can work for you. Let me show you an example of how this could work. Let's say we want to automatically add new Google Form signups to a MailerLite email list. To do this, I'll want to create a Zap. In Zapier, a Zap is a simple way to connect different apps and make them work together automatically. I can create my Zap from scratch, or with Zapier's new AI Copilot, I can just describe what I want. I could say, add new Google Form submissions to MailerLite, and it'll build the workflow for me. Once I do that, my Zap will be created. On the left-hand side, the Copilot will tell me the steps I need to take to complete my Zap. To start, select your trigger. Our trigger is an event that starts any Zap. In this case, our trigger is Google Forms. I'll need to log into my account. To do this, click on the Account tab. The first time we set up Google Forms, we'll need to connect it with Zapier. If it's your first time logging in, a link will pop up for you to log into your account. And don't worry, Zapier will only perform the actions you tell it to in a given Zap. We'll then need to fill out our trigger app's data. Select the form you'd like to use for your Zap and then click Continue. In order to finish setting up the trigger, we'll need to pull in some example data. To do that, click Test Trigger. Testing our steps ensures that the data we entered is working. You're all set with the first step. Click Continue with Selected Record and we can start creating our action. In Zapier, an action is the task that happens automatically after our trigger is set off. Your action event should already be chosen, so log into your MailerLite account just like you did with your Google account. From there, we can start to assign our trigger apps data into the Action Apps fields. I can select from the drop-down menu or add my own text to customize my Zap even further. Once that's complete, I'll test the step. Let's check our MailerLite account to make sure this worked. Yep, there it is. This is ready to turn on. Now, whenever a form response is filled out in Google Forms, MailerLite will automatically add that subscriber to your group. So whether you're managing a sales pipeline, automating a marketing campaign, or building your own custom business app, Zapier makes it easy to build applications without coding. You can sign up and start for free.